and shit, you know what I'm saying?
This guy loves fishing now. Look at this man. He even carries it in his own car.
Well, this is my beginner's pole. You don't want to see the big stuff.
No, I wasn't even recording.
I got that at home.
Look at this. Wow. You got money to be buying this.
Shit. I wish.
Look at that. Look
at what? What the? Damn. That's pretty cool. How much was this? Like 800?
I don't know, bro.
This is
I
expensive.
can't remember.
I know this is expensive.
He bought this joint. It came in.
This joint looks good.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
And tents. Did you see the tents?
With the car. Oh yeah. Damn. Yeah. What is this, 20?
Yeah, it's 20. But since it's like a really small car, it looks really dark.
Yeah, windshield or no?
Nah, no windshield.
Yeah. Alright, what's next? What's next?
She said you want to buy intake and exhaust.
Oh shoot. Alright, so we got this fuel pump for my car. And this is for me so I can run straight E85. I don't want to do no blending.
No mixing,
you know, I'm a pretty lazy guy. No mixing, you know what I'm saying? So this is straight E85 and I'm ready to go. My tuner said it's not going to add that much more power, but it's just going to be more convenient for me. You know what I'm saying? I'll leave the link in the bottom. You can hit up Nelson if you guys want one of these.
Great deal.
Yeah, it's a good deal. It's a good deal, I gotta say.
We had to go buy this. Look, make sure you have a T40 Torx.
Oh yeah, look.
We had to go buy it. We didn't have that. Pump is right there.
And don't mind my engine bay right now.
It's
like
dirty.
Dude, my car has been sitting for so long.
Let's go compare.
My car has been sitting for a long time and I'm like, even the inside is like pretty dirty. The top of the car is dirty. So I'm just trying to get all the parts in. We got more parts because we're about to get tuned, boy. We're about to get tuned.
Finally, boy.
Ooh. I'm about to be like, yo, look at my burrito, guys. Look at that. Like, look, my head's pretty big, and look how big it is.
He got a big head. Take a bite. Let me take a bite for the vlog.
Like this?
Yeah, do it.
Nah, fuck that.
Come on, do it. Wow. Look at this. He got jaritos. Yo, say it for us.
Jarito, motherfucker.
Alright, so we got one bolt right there, and then another one right here. You can see that? And we just take both of them off. Here you go. Damn.
Damn, this strong, papi.
You know, papi chulo.
Damn, papi.
Hey, calmate. Don't look at my
goodness. Yeah.
You smell a little gas, right?
Yeah, it smells like that crappy 93 gas, you know.
Hopefully
we don't need that no more.
Yeah. It was in the way. Come on, pussy.
Dude, just want to feel some ass. Okay.
Alright, there we go. We got the old one out.
They kind of look the same.
They do look the same, right?
What's the difference?
Guess just the numbers on top. I don't know. It has red caps, but that's gonna come off. Alright, that's what you're gonna do. Grab some oil, just put it around it. It's gonna be nice and lubed up, you dig? Just like your butthole motion.
Oh ho ho!
You know, I know what that is.
Look at this sexy man.
Papi Muñeño. Shut up, bro. Papi Muñeño. You say that way too much. Okay.
Okay.
Should be in now. And then we just put the bolts, connect the wire, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like this. You got this jump. You grab this right here, and you like stick it right back here. You grab this all nice and loose, you know what I mean? Oh my God, it's tight now. Oh my God, I can't get it.
Butler, can you twerk for me?
Yes, sir.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Yo, I'll pay you $5. $5 for you to shake your ass.
$5. $5.
Yeah.
Man, always sitting.
What the hell are you doing, man? Oh my God.
This guy. Alright. Try. Give it another try, bro. When I say stop, motherfucker,
you think that's gonna save you?
Go.
Turn it once. No leaks?
Yo, if you honk again, I swear I'm gonna slap the freak out of you, bro. Alright, turn it on. saw it drop. I don't know what the fuck that is. I feel like that's like a front fuel pump. That shit scared me, bro.
What the fuck was that?
That scared the fuck out of me. Oh!
What?
The TGV deletes aren't fucking connected.
Oh my god.
You're so dumb.
You're an idiot.
Stupid. Dude, that made
Shut your ass up.
I heard a little. I'm like, oh my
I was like,
turn.
I say he said turn it off. I'm like, alright, he's gonna turn it off. I'm like, what the hell? Why isn't he turning it off?
I was like, what are you doing? As soon as I heard one tick, I said, he was too slow.
Alright, we're gonna start it up again. See if everything is okay, and hopefully everything is okay.
Alright, go ahead. So everything seems fine, but you gotta check engine light. I think it's because of when we started without the TDV deletes. Check what it says. What does it say? What is it? Yeah. See, we did. Yeah, because we didn't we forgot to tighten it up. But everything's good. That's a mistake on our end. Everything seems good. We're gonna go for a drive. Hopefully the same thing that last time. Remember what happened last time? We got stuck.
That was whack, bro.
But now we got Osvaldo here. If we get stuck, he can come and rescue us. Alright.
Okay. So we're driving the car. We're about to do a pull. My seatbelt thing is ringing because we had to take off the battery and that thing restarted. But yeah, we're gonna do a pull right now. Pulling, right? That's pulling. We're so cool, we're in a WX, bro. Stupid. I'm gonna pull into the gas station because I think my fender liner's like dragging. Alright, so everything was good.
Put all the heat shield back on, whatever that plastic.
Yeah, everything's put together. We did a little test drive and everything is good. No breaking down or anything. So
not this time.
It's a pretty easy install, but that's one of the things we need for what I'm trying to do. And we got more parts coming, so stay tuned.
For that. Be ready.
Yeah, go shop at shacklebuilt.com.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I wore all of mine, so they're kind of dirty right now. So,
but watch the last video.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.